What's up guys, this is Mike Dean with First Step Travelers. So this is the last part of my Vietnam journey. Welcome to Halong Bay. So to explain how I got here, we'll have to start at the beginning. So if you guys watched my last video, you knew I was in the capital of Vietnam, Hanoi. And while I was staying at my hostel, I went ahead and booked a 2-day, 1-night tour of Halong Bay. Now this tour cost me about $90, and from my hostel, I took a 3-hour bus ride east to get to Halong Bay. Fortunately, I'd be doing this tour with some great people from the hostel. Jump!
Yo.
What's up guys? We're over here going to, well, we're in Halong Bay, but we're going to our boat.
We have a really nice weather.
We have to wait here.
Yeah, maybe we're going to die. We don't know. So maybe it's the last clip of Michael.
Yeah. So we headed out into the bay, which is about 600 square miles total. Halong Bay literally means Bay of Descending Dragon. It gets its name from the thousands of limestone formations sticking out of the water, like the back of a dragon. We docked, met the crew.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you. And got settled into our rooms. The natural beauty of Halong Bay is almost indescribable. And on your journey through the bay, you'll constantly see villages, shops, and houses where people go about their daily lives, never touching land. So, after we were all settled in, and I was done gawking at the scenery, we sat down to eat some fresh seafood. And of course, have a Halong beer. Right after that, we made our way to a dock so we could kayak around the bay. It quickly turned into a competition. It was a lot of fun racing through the rocks and kayaking as the sun started to set. Though I do wish we had a bit more time to explore. So after a few laps, we were jetting across the bay to a new location. And this time when we landed, we were climbing upstairs, downstairs, squeezing through claustrophobic corridors, and I found myself inside an incredible cave. And as I continued on, each room just got bigger and bigger. It seemed like this place went on forever.
You are sick.
But eventually, I could see the light, and I found my way out. The cave was incredible to see, and apparently there's plenty more like it out on the bay in different locations. So after that, we hopped back on our boat and headed for a place called T-Top Island. The reason it's called T-Top Island is because of a former Soviet Union astronaut, Garmin Titov. President Ho Chi Minh was accompanied to this island by Titov, and in remembrance of this event, President Ho Chi Minh named this island T-Top Island. But when I was informed that there was a lookout on top of the island, I rushed to see it for myself. And even though by the time I made it to the top I was exhausted, the view was incredible. So after that, I headed down to the beach to have a swim with everyone else. And since we were all from different places, I wanted to give everyone a chance to introduce themselves to you guys.
Hi, I'm Ronald. I'm from Germany. Follow me.
My name is Martin. I'm from Germany too.
Okay, I'm Clara. And I'm from
Ben, I'm from France.
Hey, I'm Julia. I'm from Germany.
Yeah, I'm Mike, you know that. So.
Getting to meet and hanging out with everybody here just made the day that much better. And after the swim, it was time to head back to the boat. So, when we got back, we had a small class on how to make spring rolls, which is not that complicated. Had a few drinks, sang a little karaoke, and did a little bit of squid fishing before bed. The next morning, we were headed back out for the final attraction. They took us out to a pearl farm where locals raised and harvested oysters for the pearls. Pearls can take years to develop, so it's a slow process. But you get to watch some of the locals actually work on the oysters, and you get to see the final products of their work. And after that, we headed back to our boat so that we could head home. The rest of our time was just spent relaxing and admiring the scenery. What's up, guys? I really hope you enjoyed that video on my experience at Halong Bay. Huge thank you to everybody I traveled with on this journey. It was a lot of fun. I was really glad to meet you guys. As I said before, the whole tour was $90 US, and that includes everything except alcohol. So the bed, the food, all the activities, and nothing else was extra. So right after this, I headed back to my hostel in Hanoi to get some sleep before heading off to Chiang Mai, Thailand to meet a friend. So this is the last part of my Vietnam journey. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe because I got more videos coming out very soon. If you guys want to see a few more videos of my time in Vietnam, click the links here. Thanks for watching. Happy travels, everybody.